All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. To my Cardano family, appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing so much love. Apologize I wasn't able to give you guys an update last night. Wanted to kind of take a little bit of a break and relax, and kind of want to encourage you guys to do the same. Take a break. Trust me, the markets are not going anywhere, and kind of refresh up a bit and then come back because, like I said, the markets are going nowhere. But today, Wednesday, as it did start, we did start off on a really, really positive note for the broader market. Bitcoin made its way back above $96,000, a level that I had been mentioning on this channel over the course of the last 2 to 3 days specifically. And Bitcoin price was able to make its way back above $96,000, and which in return has caused the altcoin market to react in a really positive way. Altcoins are booming, and why the reason as to why altcoins are booming right now is because dominance did not move at all. At all. Even when the price of Bitcoin was going down, even when the price of Bitcoin goes up, you're not seeing the dominance budging, which of course is a really, really bullish indication for altcoins specifically. But ADA is up 5% right now, with the price currently sitting back above $1, which is really nice to see. And I want to see the price of Cardano, closing its daily candle for today above $1. Very, very important to do so. Also up 1% in Bitcoin, comparative with the market cap at $36 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is just shy of $3 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this, guys. I mentioned this in the XRP update, but if you obviously did not watch that, we'll kind of go over this. So the SEC has filed for Bitwise 10 crypto index ETF. Do you understand how big of a deal this really is? We're seeing a crypto index ETF consistent of these projects right here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, Avalanche, Link, BCH, Uni, as well as Polkadot. ADA is in this. Big money. Big money is about to flow in. And of course, now this kind of makes people think, was this the catalyst behind the move that we were seeing for ADA? It could have been, but I kind of want you guys to realize that the broader market has been booming. So those are things that need to be factored in as well. And also, we cannot be forgetting the fact that Charles Hoskinson, who is the founder of Cardano, has been hinting a lot of things. There's been a lot of speculation in connections with the U.S. government and Cardano, how they're going to implement blockchain technology with Cardano. And again, those speculations started airing up over the last 2 and 3 weeks. Those are factors that need to be considered as well, not just this ETF index that we're talking about. But what a big shift that we're seeing. With that said, let's focus on Cardano's price, really understand what's happening with ADA's price right now, and of course what we could be expecting going further into the end of November and entering December, the final month of the year. Can we really just take 30 seconds out of the time to really discuss how the fastest time has gone? It literally feels like yesterday I was making these updates of late last year. I swear it feels like that, and it's scary to me, but that's just reality, and that's how fast time is going. But if you're looking at the dominance index, 58.11%, so the dominance is continuing to fall. A very, very interesting thing to be looking at right now, especially if you're an altcoin holder. Is this the start to an altcoin season right now? Is this actually the start to an altcoin season? Let me know in the comments down below, but I have my close eyes on it because dominance is doing something that we have not seen it do over the course of the last few months, which is continuing to pull down despite what's Bitcoin doing. Speaking about Bitcoin, right now, like I said earlier in my updates, it's extremely important for the price of Bitcoin to close above $96,000. That's a confirmation that I've set for myself. And right now, you are seeing a little bit of a minor pullback for Bitcoin, but I want to see Bitcoin closing above $96,000 today. But so far, so good. Look at this beautiful bounce. Of course, a lot of big flush happened yesterday, left a lot of people liquidated. And again, a continuous reminder why you don't need to be leverage trading. Stay away from leverage trading. I cannot stress this enough. You guys know your boy Crypto ZX is totally against it, and I will continue to say that till the end, till the absolute end. I'll continue to say that. But Bitcoin definitely had a beautiful bounce, which of course in return had a massive impact on the altcoin market, including Cardano. If I were to shift our focus towards the hourly time frame, you will see it on a better time scale. So let me just focus on the hour. Actually, first and foremost, look at this. So we made our ways back above that key resistance, which is a dollar psychological price point. But if you're looking at this right now, what a beautiful bounce right now that you're seeing. So we did see the Cardano price going to the likes of the 87.7 cents. If you picked it up around that range, you did see ADA go up about 16%. But now, moment of truth and a very, very important time in the next few hours. Reason why I would love to see where the price is currently holding to close the daily candle today. This would really give me an indication not only for Bitcoin but also for the Cardano's price. Cardano could actually start reaching the likes of the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, quite fast. And what's really interesting about the dominance this time around is if dominance continues to pull down and Bitcoin retest all-time highs, I think ADA could actually smash past its yearly high and head towards a new yearly high, and the $1.20 is the target that we've been aiming. So that is the beauty of the dominance going down, and this is why you don't want to be ignoring the dominance index. But like I said, you want to see that close above this key resistance in the next few hours. If it's able to do that, I think we could be seeing a great few days ahead of us, obviously going into the end of the month of November. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are you guys doing right now in terms of Cardano's price? In terms of Cardano, if you're holding ADA, what are your personal predictions regarding ADA? I know people are throwing crazy price predictions out there right now. First and foremost, how I take a look at it is I want to see the price of ADA actually smashing past all-time high, and then we can start speculating upon what is that next all-time high looking like. But of course, if we see ETFs being evolved, and now the ETF index that's launching, now a lot of people in the community are going to be like, when are we going to see a Cardano ETF? And I think there is going to come a time where we do see these big big institutions starting to go ahead and submit for a Cardano ETF. Why wouldn't they? There's a massive demand for it, and if these speculations that we're seeing are true, you never know what could happen with ADA. And I'm very, very interested to see how the 2025 year looks like. I was about to say 2024, but it's crazy to think that 2024 is already coming to an end. 2024 has been an absolutely amazing, amazing year. Shout out to all the viewers and, that has been here from the beginning. And of course, the newcomers coming into the space. I cannot thank you guys enough for all your support, but what I would strongly encourage you guys to be doing is, obviously strategizing your exit strategy, and you're kind of going based off of that. Never ignore profit taking. Never listen to the trolls saying that profit taking is bad. Profit taking is amazing to do. It's really, really good, and you always need to lock your profits in on your way up. If you're just going to be waiting, then guess what? Whales are not going to be waiting for you to be locking in profits, right? But I'm really, really excited to see what ADA does. Very important to close above this support, and then we could take it from there. I love each and every one of you guys. Stay safe out there, and also remember the spam comments in the comments. Please keep an eye out on those. I will never ask you guys to send me crypto. I know there's going to be a lot of people posing as me. I'll never ask you to call me. Never send me crypto. None of this. Watch the video, like it, and that's all. I try my best to filter out these comments. It's really, really hard to do because these guys keep coming back, but I'll keep trying my best to filter these out. And yeah, I appreciate your support from the bottom of my heart. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.